All that we have left to do now is close the period. So once all of the period close checklist tasks have been marked as complete, the period will then be eligible to be closed. All you would need to do is navigate to that final task, click on close period to ensure that no future transactions can be posted or modified within the accounting period. This is a key control that NetSuite has in place. So NetSuite administrators, users that have the override period restrictions user role available to them will still not be able to perform those actions in a closed period. Let's jump into NetSuite and validate that. So here we have our January 2023 accounting period. We have this final task to close the period. Let's go ahead and click on close period. So now this accounting period is closed. That's confirmed by the status here in the top left. Let's go ahead and validate that even a NetSuite administrator does not have the ability to now create transactions in this accounting period. Let's go ahead and attempt to create a journal entry. It doesn't really matter which subsidiary we pick. The point here being that the period field on any transaction in the system will no longer display January 2023. And in fact, as we type in January, the first period that's available is January 2024. So that, again, is a system control to ensure that prior period balances cannot be modified once the period has been closed. Let's just navigate back to the period close checklist for a second, because I do want to call out that you do have the ability to open the accounting period again, should you need to, typically in the event of an audit. But before doing so, you must provide the system a justification. If you try to open the period, it's going to force you to include a justification first, and then open the period. It's going to give you a warning just to let you know the consequences of opening the accounting period. We're okay in this case. And now the period is open once again.